Alright, so I'm back. I went and got some fender washers. I actually got 8 of them. The instructions only show you need to wash this on the up on top here. But I actually I'm gonna put up on top and on bottom. So I already have my bolts in there, so you see the bolt coming out right there. Actually, no, I haven't have this one in yet. So basically, it's like that. I'm gonna put it up in here, like so. There's a hole. There it is. So this one is a little bit different because you have to get underneath this little rubber piece right here. How is that? There it is. Gotta put it underneath this rubber piece, right? And it sticks out like so, right? So I have the sway bars, the plates on some 2x4s or 4x4s, excuse me, on both sides. That way it's easier for me to get up in there. It's gonna be kind of, kind of hard to hold it since I'm here by myself. All right, so I have my another fender washer, then my lock nut. Let's see. So let me do this. Let's see what's it can. Hold on. There it is. Oh, dang it. So this is where it would be nice to have a second hand or something. I should do this other one over here first. Oh shit! Ow! Damn it! It fell on my head. The other one fell on my head. Oh shit! It wasn't too bad, but still. God dang it. This is where, again, it'd be nice to have a second set of hands. Block out of the way. I think the block's more of a hindrance than it is a help. Okay, like so. Just put a few threads on there, just enough to kind of hold it in place for you. So get the next one. So there's a little hole on one of these things right here. That's for the little rubber piece to have space. Okay, let's see, where am I at? What I should do is I should go to the other side. Let me go to the other side and put one up so that way they hold themselves up. This is getting ridiculous. I'm trying to do one side, it's getting ridiculous. Okay, that's much better. Oh, shit. Oh. Back to the side.
Coco, you want me to lock them up then or no?
No?
Just leave them out like that?
Yep. Oh, come on. Where are you at? You're right there. I see you. And the hose is slightly off. Hose a little bit off, slightly. Just a tad bit. This side's on. That side's on. Obviously, I screwed it all the way to the where the nylon starts. So that's close enough. Let me do the other side real fast. Oh shit! Oh. Ah, shit. So the side's not wanting to come in. The holes are not perfectly aligned. The other side's not wanting to come in. Holes are not perfectly aligned. So the bolt's actually not fully dropped in. Let me see if I can push it in there. Okay. Alright, so that side's in. I'm gonna take my freaking impact driver. I'm gonna use my impact. Sick of tired of getting this thing so it's not shit. So it's not straight there. There we go. Use the impact. So the bolt is a Allen. It's an Allen 6mm Allen head, button head I should say. But I'm gonna. So I have a wrench on that to hold the bolt in place, and I'm just gonna impact here. Oh, come on. Dang it. Freaking A, my Allen head's stuck. Are you shitting me? Yep, my Allen's head stuck. Shit, Allen head stuck. There's not quite enough room in there. I should have used the Allen key instead to hold it. Nope, I need my Allen to hold that. God damn it. So Allen, yeah, my Allen head is stuck on the frame there. I have to undo this. Damn it. This one, anyways. That's probably why it didn't. That's why it probably didn't go together very well. Oops, I got it out. Okay, got that out. Let's see if I could impact it back in again. Nope. Nope. It's just free spinning. So I need to get an Allen key into this one. I can't use this thing because the frame is actually rubbing up right against here, and it's kind of like hung up and it's like twisting it and it's just not fitting properly. So I need to get an actual Allen key. Yeah, that one's tight. Yeah, this one I need to revisit with the Allen key, and it should be good. Alright, let's go back to the other side. Oh shit! Okay, let's go to this side. So let me see if that's other side stuck. Then this side would get stuck too. So I can't really impact that one. I need to get an Allen key, 6mm, but I could do this bottom window. That's good there. So the thread's showing a little bit on the bolt, so that's good. That's what you want. I don't know if I could just fucking do this one up here. Let me see if it clears my little socket. No, it doesn't clear the socket. Okay. Nope. So I have to get the Allen key. But anyways, you guys get the drift. I'm gonna get the Allen key and hold it with the Allen key, and I can impact this one. But I think you guys can see the little rubber piece there, right? That's it. So that's the insulation. And it's like very close to the bar up over here. So this is a torsion bar, right? This bar right up here, this is a torsion bar. So that's a torsion bar. So this, the fit is actually not a independent suspension. The rear end is not independent. So this torsion bar is, it's kind of like think of it as a solid axle, because basically that's more or less what it is. So it's not independent. So this sway bar right here, it's not really even a sway bar because this torsion bar is makes the two rear ends as one piece instead of independent. What this bar does is that it basically helps reinforce this one because this one's kind of flimsy, so it flexes. Right. So this basically is the extra reinforcement, and it's pretty close. The fit's pretty close. There's only maybe a 1/4 inch between the two. That's it. Let's install. So there you go. There's that side. There's that side. And let's go from the front to this front side, like so, and like so. That's it. All right.